am going to discuss Class 6 Decimals exercise. Using decimals, how to express money, length and weight. First question is, expresses rupees using decimals. First, find paise. To find rupees or convert paisa to rupees, divide the number by its power of relation. That means 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. Their power of relation is 100. That is equal to 5 divided by 100. That is equal to rupees 0.05. Next, B, 75 paise. That is equal to number divided by 100. That is equal to rupees 0.75. Next one, C, 20 paise. That is equal to 20 divided by 100. That is equal to rupees 0.2420. Next question, D, 50 rupees and 90 paise. Here the question have rupees, that means 50 plus 90 paise means 90 by 100. That is equal to 50 plus 0.9. That is equal to rupees 50.9. Next question, 725 paise. That is equal to 725 divided by 100. That is equal to rupees 7.2. Next question is, expresses meters using decimals. First question, 15 centimeter. To convert centimeter to meter or find meter, divide the number by its power of relation. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Their power of relation is 100. So the number is divided by 100. That is equal to 0.15 meter. Next question, 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is equal to 6 by 100. That is equal to 0.06 meter. Next, C, 2 meter 45 centimeter. Here the question have already meter. So 2 plus 45 by 100. That is equal to 2 plus 0.45. That is equal to 2.45 meter. Next question is 9 meter 7 centimeter. That is equal to 9 plus centimeter to meter 7 divided by 100. That is equal to 9 plus 0.07. That is equal to 9.07 meter. The last question, E is equal to 419 centimeter. That is equal to 419 divided by 100. That is equal to 4.19 meter. Next question is, express as centimeter using decimals. A 5 millimeter. To find centimeter or convert millimeter to centimeter, divide the number by its power of relation. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Their power of relation is 10. So 5 is divided by their power of relation is 10. So the answer is 0.5 centimeter. Next question, 60 millimeter. That is 60 divided by 10. That is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, 164 millimeter. That is equal to 164 by 10. That is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Next one, 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. Here the question have centimeter. So 9 plus millimeter to centimeter, 8 by 10. That is equal to 9 plus 0.8. That is equal to 9.8 centimeter. The last question is 93 millimeter. That is 93 divided by 10 is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Next question is express as kilometer using decimals. First question is 8 meter. To convert meter to kilometer, divide the number by its power of relation. That means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Power of relation is 1000. So 8 is divided by 1000. That is equal to 0.008 kilometer. Next question is B. 88 meter. That is equal to 88 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.088 kilometer. Next question is 8,888 meter. That is equal to 8,888 divided by 1000. That is equal to 8.888 kilometer. Last question is 70 kilometer, 5 meter. The question you have already kilometer. So we convert meter to kilometer. That means 5 divided by 1000. That is equal to 70 plus 0.005. That is equal to 70.005 kilometer. The last question is express as kilogram using decimals. 2 kilogram. 2 gram. To convert gram to kilogram, divide the number by its power of relation. That means 1 kilo is equal to 1000 gram. Their power of relation is 1000. So 2 gram is divided by 1000. that is equal to 0.002 kilogram. Next question is 100 gram. That is equal to 100 divided by 1000. That is equal to 0.1 kilogram. The next question is 3750 gram. That is equal to 3750 by 1000. That is equal to 3.750 kilogram. Next question. 5 kilogram 8 gram. That is equal to 5 kilo means 5 plus 8 gram means 8 by 1000. That is equal to 5 plus 0.008. That is equal to 5.008 kilogram. Last question is 26 kilogram 50 gram. That is equal to 26 plus 50 gram is equal to 50 by 1000. That is equal to 26 plus 0.05. That is equal to 26.05 kilo. I hope all you can understand the topic using decimals, how to express money, length and weight and its revision exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.